In the annals of history, there are few events as tumultuous and transformative as the French Revolution. A seismic shift that shook the very foundations of society, leaving an indelible mark on the world stage. But what led to this monumental upheaval, and what were its far-reaching consequences? Join us as we delve into the heart of the French Revolution. Our story begins in the late 18th century, amidst a France burdened by social inequality, economic turmoil, and political unrest. At the top of the social hierarchy sat the privileged nobility and clergy, basking in wealth and power, while the vast majority of the population, the Third Estate, toiled under oppressive taxation and poverty. But the winds of change were blowing, fueled by Enlightenment ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Intellectuals like Rousseau and Voltaire challenged the divine right of kings and called for a fairer, more just society. The spark that ignited the powder keg came in the form of financial crisis. Years of lavish spending, costly wars, and inept governance had left the royal coffers empty. King Louis XVI, desperate to remedy the situation, called for an assembly of the Estates General in 1789. But what began as a quest for fiscal solutions soon evolved into a revolutionary fervor. Frustrated by the antiquated voting system that favored the nobility and clergy, the Third Estate boldly declared themselves the National Assembly, vowing to draft a new constitution for France. The tension reached a boiling point on July 14, 1789, when enraged Parisians stormed the Bastille, a symbol of royal tyranny. This pivotal event marked the beginning of the revolution and sent shockwaves throughout Europe. In the following years, France witnessed a whirlwind of political upheaval, as radical factions vied for control amidst waves of violence and bloodshed. The monarchy was overthrown and the Republic was declared, with the execution of Louis XVI sending shockwaves across Europe. But the revolution's ideals of liberty and equality were often overshadowed by the reign of terror, led by the radical Jacobins under the leadership of Maximilien Robespierre. Thousands perished under the blade of the guillotine as suspicion and paranoia gripped the nation. However, the excesses of the terror ultimately led to Robespierre's downfall, and a period of relative stability followed under the Directory. Yet the revolution's legacy endured, spreading its ideals across Europe and inspiring future generations to strive for freedom and justice. Though the French Revolution may have ended, its impact reverberates to this day, reminding us of the power of ordinary people to shape the course of history. As we reflect on this tumultuous chapter, let us heed its lessons and continue the pursuit of a more just and equitable world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the French Revolution. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical explorations.